Next is Microsoft Azure website takeover. So what happens? See, sometimes when you are doing this dig or host, so you will see this kind of thing: Azure website.net, cloudapp.net, cloudapp.azure.com, trafficmanager.com. So that time you need to refer this. This is very good. So you can refer both of them website for can I take over this? Okay, copy this and I will show you. I will send you the link. So this is, and another is this. Can I take over XYZ? See, you can check out. Okay, like if see what happened. Let's say you find out a website, okay, and that is saying like, okay, this is S3 website, so that is vulnerability, means you can check out for the bug. But if there is a load balancer, there is no chance for the subdomain takeover. And other than that, let's say there is this like website giving you error. Okay, this website is hosting. See, last time when we are checking on the GitHub, that giving the error for the GitHub. But if you see this error like hosting provider is this .ru, then you can take over. So if you see the bit bucket, like where content provider is the bit bucket, then you can check for the subdomain takeover. Like you are testing a website and that is giving you the error. Let's say we are what you testing dot tcrsec. Okay, testing. See, this is giving an error and this is giving an error through the GitHub. So when you are do not think like you will see the subdomain taker only GitHub or S3 or see, there are many possibilities. See, if you see like website is showing this error, then there is a subdomain taker possible. If you see like a website is giving the error for the bit bucket, so you can try the bit bucket to take over. So how you can try? Just create a bit bucket account and try to create a website on there. Like, or how you can check out, just write this: how to create site on Bitbucket, and learn from there. See, publishing a website on Bitbucket cloud, so you can use that for learning and try to take out from there. Okay, and other than that, see, there are many. See, Discourse and Gemify. See, help juice, help scout, help praise. If you see these kind of error, see Microsoft Azure, see there are many. If you see these, I will show you this. Wait, NGRock, Smart JBoard. See, these are the things. So Tumblr, not Tumblr, these. Okay. See, WordPress, not WordPress. Yeah, okay. Do you want to, when you see this kind of error, see, do you want to register WordPress.com? So you can vulnerable and hello, sorry. So these kind of error you will see. See, they given the error also. See, for S3 bucket, what kind of error you will see? If you can see, the specified bucket does not exist. See, we are getting the same error that in the bucket. Okay, so you can check out the error, what kind of error you are getting. Okay, for Azure website, see, this is very important. See, in Azure website, you are see like these kind of thing. Host, I think I have okay. See, sometimes host is not working, so we can use see, CNAME is this. So when you see this kind of CNAME, after CNAME, there is, you will see Azure website, or let's say you will see cloudapp.net, you will see Azure website, you will see cloudapp.azure, you will see trafficmanager.net. So if see website giving the error this 404, and in the CNAME there is, you will see like Azure website.net, or let's okay, what happened? I open this cloudapp.net, cloudapp.azure.com, trafficmanager.com. So there is a high chance of Azure subdomain takeover. Okay, so how you can do the Azure subdomain takeover? You can take the help of this. So for that you need to use your Azure account. First you need a Azure paid account. Like if you have that free account, I think $2 or $200, $300, you can use that also. Just create your Azure account and try to create the website with this. So they are given everything. Like if you find out, okay, website is giving error for the cloud app, that go there and use this thing. See, this is giving an error for the cloud app, and after that how you can create all these things. See, everything they mentioned. So this is very important. Okay, see, I reported some bugs for subdomain takeover by using this, but currently my Azure is expired, so I cannot show you. That is the issue. Okay, so yeah, if you have any issue, then you can connect with me related to this Azure. Okay, just try to read all of them and learn like what is this. Okay, and mitigation, remove the affected DNS record. Means developer, like, okay, I check out, okay, there is a subdomain on this anything, so what is, click on this and delete this, delete record. Now there is no affected DNS is deleted, then there is no subdomain takeover. Okay, this is all about subdomain takeover.